Hi everyone! I plan on making a few paintings today using the same paints so that I can get a little bit ahead on the challenge in order to give myself more time to edit. This week looks like it's going to be really busy at work, so I want to make sure that I've got enough videos in progress that I can keep up to date. If you're enjoying watching the 30 days 30 pour challenges, then please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button on this video. Thanks so much. Tammy Anderson has just created a new tag on her channel, Paint It Forward 2019, and I really like this idea. It's similar to what I said on my last video, where basically you can use the hashtag and give a shout out to a channel that you'd like to support. So my shout out today is the creator, as far as I know, of this idea, Paint It Forward 2019. That is Tammy Anderson. She makes lots of really interesting resin work and also some acrylic pours on her channel. She's very creative. She's got a lovely sense of colour and she explains what she's doing very well. Her videos tend to be quite long form, so they're very relaxing to watch and you can just go through the process in real time with her. Thanks Tammy for being such an inspiration. If you'd like to be my next Paint It Forward 2019 shout out, then please just drop your name in the comments below or send me a message on any social media platform. So now on to the challenges. Today's pour is going to be a ribbon pour. It's day 6 of the 30 days 30 pours challenge. If you'd like to join in, just remember to use that hashtag 30 days 30 pours on whatever social media you upload. Thank you very much to everybody who's joined in so far. I'm really enjoying seeing all of your work. Okay, so it's day 8 of the 30 days 30 pours challenge so far. It's the 8th of April and today's pour is a ribbon pour. I haven't done a ribbon pour before, but it's very similar in terms of paint preparation to a tree ring pour. The only difference is the motion you take with the cup. So with a tree ring pour, you'll layer your paints in the cup or put them in however you want to, and then when you pour on your canvas you'll make a circular motion making rings. In order to do a ribbon pour, you prepare the cup in much the same way, but you don't make rings, you make lines like ribbons. So it's very easy, but for some reason I've never done this before, so I'm looking forward to trying it today. I'm quite happy preparing paints for tree rings. I feel like those turn out as my better pours. So yeah, I'm interested to see what I can come up with today. Let's see what I make. like it, but I don't hate it. I don't feel like the top half and the bottom half match. But I think I should stop before I overcomplicate it even more. I'm just going to put this to dry and get on with the next painting. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is Tokyo Makes. Thank you to everybody who's followed me so far. Tomorrow's pour is about densities and opacities. You can use any pouring technique you like, tree ring, ribbon pour, flip cup, swipe, but you're going to look at different ways that densities and opacities affect paints. Understanding even the basics about this information helps you to work out what layer to put your paints in the cup. For example, you will want colours that are transparent to go in near the beginning and not to layer in opaques at the top of your cup, because when you pour it out, if your final layer of paint that hits the surface, the top layer is opaque, it will obscure everything underneath. So I've done some of the preparation work for you because I know that tomorrow's challenge is going to be an interesting one and might be a little bit difficult for some people, especially if you're using lots of craft paints or paints where you can't find out any information about their transparency, opacity or the density of the pigment in them. If you've got artist paints, you might want to choose to use just those tomorrow and make a small piece if you're worried about expense. The links where I talk about the specific gravity of pigment and also the archival qualities of acrylic paint are below. I'm also going to link to some information on Liquitex Basics, transparency and opacity, because that's one of the most commonly used brands in acrylic pouring. Now I've got into it, I've realised that there's an awful lot to talk about. I'll probably upload it as a separate video. If you upload your work, please leave a comment below so that I can see it. I'll be searching for the hashtag 30days30pours throughout April to make sure that I can see your work if you tag it on social media. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative or educational. Bye.